welcome back to this YouTube page. So we want to quickly look at how we can find your sun hour for different locations around the world, and how we can equally calculate the number of solar panels that will be required. Now, it is important for us to note that the number of solar panels that is going to be arrayed to charge our battery is a function or have a direct link to the sun hour, that is the number of hours in a day that you have a solar energy availability. So to do that, there is a website I usually use. We call it a PV watt calculator. It's a website you can easily log into. PV, that's a www. Let me change the color, the text color to red. Let me change the color to red. www.pvwatts.nre.gov. So when you click on this link, when you log into the link, you enter your location. And your info, other information. Then make sure you use month with the least sun hour. On the website, by the time you put in your location, now you will see the available month sun hour for every month: January, February, March till December. So let's say for January you have sun hour of around 6 hours. For February you have a sun hour of around 7 hours a day. For March you have around 5 hours. For August, like July, August, for people in Nigeria, you see from July, August, the sun hour will be reduced because that's our rainy season. So you use the worst case scenario. If the worst sun hour is 3 hours, so you make use of that 3 hours. Okay, so then from there, after you have been able to get your sun hour, then you now proceed to calculate the number of solar panels. So how do we calculate the number of solar panels? Let's say from the previous calculations we did, that is to calculate the battery size selection. Remember, we did a calculation for both lead acid batteries and for lithium batteries. So let's assume you want to make use of a lead acid battery now. So remember, we said the lead acid battery, for lead acid, let's assume the battery you want to charge is a lead acid with a 50% DOD, depth of discharge. So we now make use of 1212. Remember the calculation we brought from the other okay, that's 12,225 watt hour. Okay, 12,225 watt hour multiplied by 0.5, which is 50% depth of discharge. That one will give us a multiplied by 0.5, 50% depth of discharge, which one will give us 6112 watt hour. Then how many hours a day? Now from the website that I gave earlier on, if you check for my location web, I was able to see that we have 3.47 hours is the worst case scenario, 3.47 hours, and that happened around July. So I'm going to be using that. So this 6112 watt hour then divided by 3.47 hour, that is when you have sunlight in a day. So that one give us, let's try to calculate 6112 divided by 3.47 That will give us 1761. So 1761 watts, or let's say approximately 1760 watts. So when you say watt hour multiplied by watts, so it's going to be 1760 watts. So that is the power of the solar panel. Okay, so 1760 watts. So this 1760 watts, you are now the one to now choose how you want to arrange it. So if, for example, let's say I want to use a 320 watt solar panels, or 550 or 500 watt solar panel, so I know how many of it I'll be using, right? So let's say I want to use a 320 for 320 watt solar panel. So which means we now divide this. That's where 1760 watts divided by 320 watts. So whatever we get will give us the number of solar panels we are going to be using. 1760 divided by 320. So that will give us 5.5, which is approximately 6. So which is equal to 6 solar panels. Okay, that is each with 320 watts power. So that is that about the solar system design. It's as simple as that. So if you have any questions, you have any comments, you have any great areas where you felt we could shed more light, please kindly send it through the comment section. But please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button, so that as our videos are coming up, you'll be getting a notification on your profile. Please subscribe to our page as well on Facebook, like us on Facebook, recommend us to friends, and if you have any contracts, any work, anything, any part of the country, please do well to, we are always available. Do well to reach us, do well to patronize us. Thank you very much. That will be all for now.